we are going to find the lateral and total surface areas of different solids. I have this solid here, my rectangular prism. Now, what do we call the lateral surface? The lateral surface is a surface on the sides, the faces, here, 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 all of them together we call the lateral face. That's here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 4 faces together is what we call the lateral surface. What do we call the total surface or total surface area? The total surface area is the lateral surface area, that is all here, plus the areas of the bases here and here together. So the areas of the bases plus the areas, the lateral surface will give us the total surface area of this prism. So let's start by finding the lateral surface area. I've told you lateral surface area means the areas of the faces. In this case, how many faces do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have ruled a line here already. It's my line. So I'll put my prism here, right here on the line. And of course, we know that one way we could do it is getting the area of one surface or one face and multiply that by the number of faces. In this case, we have 4. But let me show you a way that we can come up with a formula. So I have put my prism, my rectangular prism, right on the line that I ruled. Okay, now I want to trace to get my lateral surface area. So I've done 1. It's one area. Now I'm moving down one of the faces. There's another face. Right on the line. Done 2, but we have 4 of them. So you can go ahead and trace. Yes, I'll trace here. On this side. Okay, at the second one, second face, and trace. Okay, that's the third face. Now the final face. There are 4 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the 4th face now. Let's count the number of faces. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've been able to get the lateral surface area of this prism. That's all the sides, 4 of them. Now what shape do we have here? What shape do we have here? A rectangle.
A rectangle.
Okay. I already know that to get the area of a rectangle, we look for what we have here, the length times the breadth. Now from what we have done here, we are talking about what are we going to call this side? What part of the rectangular prism, this rectangular prism, form this part?
The width.
The perimeter. Okay. Because remember, we rolled it round like this.
Okay.
We rolled it round like this until we got all the faces. So this is the perimeter.
Okay.
Okay, so this side is the perimeter.
The perimeter.
Yes. So we're talking about the lateral area. So L, lateral area, fancy, lateral area equals the perimeter times what can we call here? The height.
The height.
The height. That's what we have here. Perimeter times the height. That's the lateral area. So you can say L A, which stands for lateral area, equals P, where P is perimeter, times H, where H is the height. So that is a lateral surface area. Now we need to get the total area, and as I said, to get the total area we have to add this face and this face, the bases. So let's dot my eye. So let's add that to our shape here on the paper. I'll trace this. So that is one side of the base, and then we also have this side of the base. Let's trace that here. So this is another side of the base. So we need to add this base and this base to the lateral surface area to be able to get the total surface area. So the total surface area, I'll put total area, you say will be equal to lateral area, which is what you see here, the lateral surface area, plus the face of the base. We have one base here, we have another base here. So two of them, the two bases. So now let's look at the two bases. What we have, if we want to get the area of this, this is one side, and this one side, and this is another side. So to get this area, what do we do? This side times this side. So that will give us, and we have two of them. So this side times this side, that is 2 squares. So we have lateral area plus 2. We said this times this. If we put this as a side, S on this another side, S. So this side and times this side will be s squared.
Yes.
So, x squared. But then we have two of them. So we put 2. So what's our formula now for our total surface area? Our total surface area, we've seen that is the lateral area, which is equal to the perimeter times the height plus 2 s squared. Yes, 2 sides squared. So the total area, we can say TA, which stands for total area, equals, our lateral area is perimeter times height. So we substitute that, perimeter times height plus 2 squared. So this is our formula to find the total area of our solid, in this case our rectangular prism. So again, our total area, we can say our total area equals perimeter times height plus 2. This side we call it the length, and here we call it the height or the breadth. So it can be height or breadth. I want to choose breadth. Where B stands for breadth. P stands for perimeter. Let me define my time. Okay, P for perimeter, height, H for height, and B for breadth. Where B equals breadth.
L for length.
Yes. No, L is not for length. L is for lateral area.
Okay. Then we're looking at the 2 sides.
Oh yeah. Okay. So I'll make this small letter L.
Yes.
I'll make the small letter L. So small letter L equals length. So this is a formula to find the total area of a solid.